Welcome to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast baking tip, I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk at home. I'm going to grab my vinegar and just pour that in there. I'm going to take a little whisk. I'm just going to whisk this in. Over the next 5 minutes or so, you're going to see your milk start to curdle. And that's what we want to see, because we're actually souring the milk. So we're just going to let that go, and I'll come back when I can start seeing it happening. So this is about 10 minutes later. I let this go a little bit longer because I did want to show you that it is actually curdled. I'm going to get in here, and when I move the milk around, first thing I can feel is that it's a little bit thicker, and if you scoop it up, you can see that the milk has changed, and you can see little particles in it, which means it has turned sour. And if you taste this, if you take a little spoon and taste this, you'll taste how sour it is. And that's how easy it is to make buttermilk at home. And this is great for different cakes, also for deep fried chicken. If you have a recipe that requires buttermilk, you can make it just like this. Also, you can use a tablespoon of lemon juice. So that's it. This is ready to use, so you can just let this sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour. It really doesn't matter. Mix it up, and then it's ready to be used in your recipe that requires buttermilk. So that's it for this really fast video tip. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. If you're on Facebook, this post will also be on Facebook. Check me out, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.